Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use and edit with KineMaster Pro 2020 new application, just a basic tutorial. So let's start into KineMaster. Actually, it's very simple to use. Okay, for the beginners, just press setting, then just follow whatever the video shows. I turn it on. All right. Okay, or just check it out. Then go to advanced and experimental setting. Then the three things you need to turn it on. Allow frame rates for 60. Then allow import frame rate for 240. Then unlimited video layer mode. Then the three things you need to turn it on. Then back to this one. Then plus a plus. The ratio 16.9. Yeah. Usually I do video edited for YouTube. Then you open the background, whatever color you like. Then follow by just for a tutorial, I just export some video clips. Then follow by the first thing, the media browser. You can choose whatever video you like or whatever that you like to do. You can upload again. So I just show you the effects. What are the effects they have? Right, so you can see they have so many effects. Also, you can download so many effects in the KineMaster itself. So now I check it out. For example, I'm showing you this like a blur one. Alright, so they have so many things. I can show you one by one. Okay, this one like mirror bro. Then blur. There are so many categories for the blurs, yeah. Right, so just you see, even you can focus somebody, then the others you can blur it. Right, okay, let's delete. Then back to the next one. Okay, now is a overlay. Okay, there's so many overlays inside. So they have fireworks, whatever. Even you got more in application inside in the store. You can download for free. Right, all the overlays, they have so many, even cinematographic, everything inside. Okay, so that's whatever you like, just you can download for free. Now for the example, I show you some things. So you see they have a cinematographic, then whatever. Okay, so easy, like I show you this one, how to use it. For example, okay, just I bring down this, then I go to blending. Okay, then you can see like, okay, blending, then use for the screen. Okay, so it become under the screen ready. Whatever the picture you put or whatever video you on, they become the inside screen. So delete again, then we go to the tag. Next one, you can see overlay, so you can download whatever you want it. Okay, so they have so many inside the store also itself. Okay, it's a hard fire. I show you. They have so many, but for the example, I show you this. Yeah. In KineMaster Asset Store itself, you can download a lot of stuffs. Effects like fonts, music, etc., etc. All right, let's get it to see. Okay, now I can show you everything. They have so many things to download from inside for free. Effect, overlay, then you can see their fonts, whatever fonts you want. They have so many type of fonts. You can you can edit it into your KineMaster, all for free. They have so many varieties like handwriting, display, even Tamil, Chinese, Hindi, whatever. They have so many languages also. You can just bring down for free, right? In the store of KineMaster inside itself. Okay, so already I downloaded all. So then you can do it music for free. is a copyright also from KineMaster. They have so many. Maybe I show you some music. Okay, listen,
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없어.
So that's it. So now we're going to see how to edit the text. Alright, so just bring down the text. So whatever you like title or your name, just type it as like it. Just go to the text, then type it. Okay, then expand as you like. Maybe if you want small, big, you can do it yourself. So you can see, yeah. So many kind of fonts I have, all downloaded from inside. Alright, check it out. All the fonts. You can choose whatever fonts you like. Okay, as you like. Okay, let's choose robot black, yeah. Okay, just expand like. Okay, then you choose a font whatever color you like. Okay, now I choose a red. I might show you yellow, whatever color, even blue. Okay, you choose whatever color you want it. So I just back to yellow itself or blue. Okay, I change to yellow. Alright. Oh, sorry, change to white. It's nicer. Okay, now you see how they in animation. So in animation they have so many types. I show you one by one. Okay. Okay, slide right, slide left, slide up, slide down, clockwise, center clockwise, drop, scale up, scale down, coverage, letter by letter, web right, web left, wipe up, wipe down, pop onward, pop downward, pop up, pop open, enter side up, enter side down, enter side left, enter side right, rubber stamp. So you can choose whatever you like style of in animation. In animation, this overall animation you can choose yourself. Also they have so many like blinking. Okay, just after in animation first, become one of them, then see the overall animation. That means the title whatever you put, the overall they can like blinker, pulse, jitter, fountain, then go ring, then floating, right, tracking, spacing, ring, then contour, clockwise, then clockwise this way. They have so many types also. You can do it for the entire title, yeah. This one is the out animation as the same like in animation. So whatever you like, you can choose it yourself. Alright. Okay. Then back to our animation on first. Okay. That's it. For the text, also you can rotate. You can do it rotate. You can mirroring. Whatever you like. For the fonts, you can do that. Okay. Also for the font, you can choose for the do the blending. Like overlay, they mean they can show you with a multiple color. Then they hide inside a picture. They will show you whatever like multiplayer. Also they have screen. They have so many soft light, hard light. Alright, so they have so many. Alright. Okay, so Also you can text option, like you can bring out the underline whatever, like you can bring text, the spaces, everything. Okay, there are so many things to do it. Alright, also can put the outline, so whatever color you like you can put it yellow. Okay, then you can change to the outline small to big, right, whatever you like, as you like. Okay, then shadow, the same thing, turn on, then choose a color, yellow, then you can see. Okay, the shadow you can put it like a blur, you want to put thick, whatever you can choose yourself. Right, how you want to rotate the shadow you can do it yourself as you wish. Right, okay, then back to glove, it's the same thing, you can choose whatever color you like. There are the color option there, you can choose whatever color you like. Okay, then you can bring up and down the glove. Alright, so that's it. So the next is background color. Even the entire title you can cover with some colors, like a black means you can bring it out black, full black. Yellow, you can bring it up yellow. Also you can bring down to like lighter. Alright, okay, whatever you can choose. Alright, okay, now you can choose your song, whatever song you like, you can choose it. Also you can download from there too. Also you can bring down from your mobile file folder, whatever you have a song, also you can bring down. Alright, so there you can build so many songs. Also in your phone you have any music folder like songs or whatever, they will forward here. Okay, it's KineMaster itself. In the story you can bring down whatever music you like. Alright,
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
okay, now you can check the layer by layer, you can put multi by layer, right? So this is checking, how the checking. Then also you can play by, just press the play button, the display will be showing on the right hand side the box like that. So you can bring back. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment for future video whatever you like to have. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Mwah.